Do you have to do it all yourself when you decide to start your business blogging journey? My name is Kevin from the Online Visibility Agency, and today we're going to be looking at what you have to do and what you can get help with, because the world has changed. Things have moved on from how it used to be. When I first started, it was literally you sat down, you had a blank piece of paper. Nobody really gave any help or advice because blogging was new. Nobody knew exactly what it was you had to do or how you could achieve it. And more to the point, if you did reach out to somebody, it cost you an arm, a leg, a small kidney, and probably a few of your children to go off and do this. So what can you do now that is really going to help move you forward and give you the support you may be looking for, so you don't have to do it all like you feel like you're doing it all alone? So there's two things that spring to mind. First thing, talk about it quite frequently, businessbloggingchallenge.com. Go over there. We do 30 days worth of free training and more, where we'll help you, guide you, support you, give you ideas, give you structures and all of these types of things, whilst encouraging you to post a blog post every day consecutively for 30 days, which will leap and bound your SEO rankings for your business blog and upskill you rapidly. So there's that. But there's also, with the rise of AI, if we use AI writers carefully, and by carefully I mean use it properly, not write me a blog post, copy paste, put it in, job done, 3 minutes, because that isn't how it should be used. But if you use it like your unpaid assistant, then you can actually get quite a lot of help from it. It can give you ideas. It can do some research for you. Remember that there is a limit on the research and when it was updated on there. So be careful with that if you're looking at something topical, as in recent, as in now. You can ask it to help outline for you, structures for you. It can give you all sorts of help and guidance. We use it frequently for spell checking and for grammar, because neither Sarah nor I are very good at it. We write very fast and therefore we make a huge amount of typos, and Grammarly, bless its little cotton, can only do so much. So we tend to copy paste, throw it in there, say, can you check this for grammar, English, blah, 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 in the English language, in the Queen's English, or the King's English now, rather than what it will probably default to do, which is throw it out in American or similar, in which case it wouldn't be right for us. Colour without a U, things like that. So we use it like that, and it can be really helpful. And it also means that it feels like you've got someone there supporting and helping you. And both of those, if you do both of those together, then you're on for a powerhouse of a journey to get your business blogging going. So do you have to do it all on your own? No, not really, unless you choose to, and then you can choose the hard path. But why would you take the hard path when you can take a path where you're supported and it doesn't actually cost you anything? So that's what I think you should do. And I think a lot of the people that are coming into the blogging challenge at the moment are really enjoying that experience of getting that level of support. And it, as I say, is for free. So go and have a look over there, businessbloggingchallenge.com, and go and sign up, get your training for free and join our amazing community. That's it for today. Have a great day. See you in the next video.